I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. Today we've had in some Rolls-Royce silver shadow door cappings. Now these are 76 years old, and the fact that they are in the condition they're in, they've actually lasted really well, considering you might get a Rolls-Royce in from 1986 and sometimes they're in worse condition than this. So that's a good thing. The good thing is we can actually restore these so they're almost back like new, nice and shiny, and put them back in the car. It has got the brackets still on it that we're going to be removing and replacing them, putting them the same ones back on. So we're not going to put new ones on of them because they're still fine. Also there's like little chip marks in the lacquer, which I'll show you. Now these come from the seat belt. When they take the seat belt off, it kind of flirts back and it'll crash against this. So that's what these little chips, but all them will disappear with the new lacquer. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. Please click like, share and tell your friends, and also subscribe on YouTube. Bye bye.